Hello, everybody! It's my birthday, and I'm going live to share with you the birth of my GGA journals. These here, which are now available on Amazon as of today, which is so exciting. And I've got a special launch that I want to share with you and tell you all about it. So I just want to make sure that there's a few more people who have given some notification. There's some people that want to come and join this little party. I got some exciting news to share about the launch special. So when you come onto the live, make sure that you say hi. Let me know down below that you're here and that you're sharing this message. If you can, please, that would be a great gift for me. Just wanted to make sure that it shows up. Oh, here we go. Showing it live. I'm trying to find it on my Facebook, making sure that it is live, that I can see it, because I can't see it on my own screen right now. So let me have a bit of a goosey gander over here. It's showing that I'm live. I'm so used to doing it in a different way. So I'm not sure where it is that it goes live that you can see it. Let me see if I can. Oh, got it. Found it. Okay. So I'm going to mute my own volume, but I can see it. Hi, I can see you. I found where the comments are. Oh, it's kind of a new thing for me here. Always love learning. Hi, Tanya. Hey, Bernie. Good morning, morning. Thank you. Happy birthday to me. And Sonia Pilkington, lovely to see you. Oh, so exciting. Normally I'm not that excited about my birthday in the last few years, but this year I got really excited to be able to be the one to give away the goodies, and that got me excited to be here. Hey, Kathy, really lovely to see you too. And I just wanted to just share with everybody that this is an opportunity to share this with other people as well. So make sure you tag people in, or share this onto your own Facebook feed, or share it with people in the inbox. Let people know about this opportunity, because these have been a real labor of love. They are the center point of, as many of you on the lives right now are actually my clients. They're the center point. The GGA method is the center point of everything that I teach in the Awakened Soul program, and then in Soul Goal Academy. But it just brings this one very key principle, this method, to life, so that you can cultivate more gratitude. You can celebrate more of your gains, and appreciate more of the beauty in your everyday life. And this is now available on amazon.com.au immediately. And if it's not populated yet on the other Amazon marketplaces, keep checking it the next day or two. I know the kids one is definitely on the amazon.com now, and I'll give you a little backstory about that in a moment. But I wanted to let you know that for the next 3 days, there's a special offer, not only on price, but some specials. So let me let you know what's included. Normally at the $27.99 Australian dollars, the different markets will give you the conversion of that. But I wanted to put it out for $14.99 for this special, but Amazon didn't want to let it go that low. They overrode it and said, no, it's $16.44. I thought, well, I'll go with that number. That's fine. But they are absolutely fantastic. They're not only loaded with this integration process within each of the journals, they come with a whole heap of bonuses to support you in your GGA journaling. But when you purchase one over the next 3 days, today, you can go to amazon.com.au. The links are down below for the .com.au or above, wherever they are on this live. And you can click through to your other marketplace in the UK, France, .com, America, Canada. They'll be live in the next few days. So just keep checking those if you haven't seen them yet. But when you order one, come back and then make sure you take note of your invoice number. Come back to this thread, the comment thread, hit the love button, and write down below, I bought one, and I'll reach out to you and give you a special link, one that gives you access, a free ticket that's worth $22 to my online GGA journaling workshop to master the practice. And that's going to be, there will be 2 dates for that, one in August on the 20th and one on the 22nd at 2 different times, just to accommodate and allow different people in different time zones. I've got clients from 13 different countries, so I'm trying to just make sure that everybody gets a fair play at it. But the other thing too is you will be in the draw to win this t-shirt, the GGA Everyday, which the GGA Everyday t-shirt, you can't buy it. They only made 2. And so I'm giving away one in a draw. So when you purchase one, I will pop your name in the draw for this, and I'll be drawing it live on the Facebook at another date, time to be declared. But you will get that very exclusive launch opportunity to join us for that. So make sure that if you want to be involved, go to amazon.com.au to the links, wherever they are, up below, and go purchase one or all three of these. This is the adult version one that you can get. And then because so many of my clients are saying, I wish we learned this when we were younger. I wish my kids were taught this. Well, guess what? I've given you tools so you can teach your kids, whether they're children or teens or they're your grandkids. And now you can get them copies too and start teaching them that, so that you've got support in your ecosystem to help you manifest your dreams and your goals, and to really live a much more positive life, progressing towards more of the dreams and goals that you're wanting to create, and celebrating more of the beauty in your life on a day-to-day basis. Are you excited? Oh, Kathy, you just bought 9 books for all of your kids and yourself. Oh, you rock star. By the way, that's 9 entries in for the T-shirt, by the way. So, yes. Excellent. I love it. Nell, I can't stay for your whole live, unfortunately, but I'm so excited for you, and we'll definitely be grabbing a copy. Fantastic. Awesome. Thank you so much, Nell. And hey, everybody, remember to grab copies for your friends and your family, because this is the lowest price it'll ever be. They will be going up after 3 days. But, or invite them to come and let them know, because, they can jump on in and have fun with this party and can grab the goodies with it as well. But if you want to purchase them for your friends and your family, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, tag them in, invite them here. They can watch the replay and still be involved. Just write, I bought one, or 9 down below. I will definitely qualify with you how many you've bought with your invoice number. I'll cross-correlate that. And so more than happy to, please buy as many as you want. I really appreciate it. This isn't a profit product for me. This is a product of love that I am giving back to the world, and sharing this method, this one crucial specific principle that is so easy to implement but so overlooked. And when people apply this, it will transform not only your life but the lives around you. So definitely, excuse me, have fun with it. And I'm really, oh, hi, Mum. Mum's here. Karen, hi, thank you so much. Happy birthday to me. I'm sure that was you buzzing on my phone earlier, but I've been on client group calls earlier and now this, so I'll call you back soon. And we're going out for lunch today. For those who don't know, I absolutely love Po or Pho, however you pronounce it, and Mum's taking me out for lunch, so that's pretty cool. Margie, I'm grabbing 3 copies first thing in the morning. Fantastic, awesome. And just check that they are populated on Amazon.com. If they haven't yet, just make sure they have. Now, for those of you who, I'm going to give you a backstory. So for those of you who are going for goals, stay committed to the dream. And I had no idea how I was going to go and publish these when I first started, but I've modeled my way there. I figured it out and I found it out. And then I had this idea that I was going to release them today on my birthday that just felt right. And then 10 days ago, I had a bit of an obstacle with just some publishing rules. And I thought it was going to delay. And I came to a place of acceptance of, well, maybe I'll just promote it anyway, just share, let you know, and still give you the opportunity for the goodies on my birthday because it's fun, and then just let you know when it went live. Well, guess what? 2 of them went live 2 days ago. I kept it secret. And the kids one went live last night. Talk about divine. So it was meant to happen. And the kids one is actually available already in America because another story. Or maybe I'll have that for the workshop. But I'll let you know more about, even in the process of me bringing these books to life, how the GGA method has been so powerful in that process as well. Now, it looks like on my end that it's frozen. I hope not. I'm just making sure that I'm still here. And you can hear me. Awesome. Hey, thank you to those who have ordered already and to those that are sharing and tagging. I really appreciate it. Tanya ordered. Actually, I'm going to go back and buy another one. Awesome. And if you're an Amazon Prime member, I think the shipping's free, which is pretty cool. Yeah. And but the other reason why I wanted to bring these all out all at once is because for those of you that aren't Prime members, I wanted to make sure that you could grab all three without a huge shipping cost, or buying one and paying shipping, and then 2 weeks later buying one and paying shipping. So it was only 4 weeks ago that I put my foot to the floor, and I created these other two as well, ready for launch today as well. Now they are different to each other, but they have the same format and structure. They're just tailored specifically to the growing mindset of the children versus the teens, and a slightly different approach in the language, and helping them. This was inspired by my own son. He loves doing the GGA, which is Gratitude Gains Appreciation. And it was about 6 or 7 weeks ago, after I'd already started this one, that I thought I'm going to go ahead and make this the one for kids. And then of course I thought I need one for teens. But the reason why is because we were in the car coming home from soccer practice. I'm just going to pop that there. Hopefully it stays. In the car coming home from soccer practice, and it'd been raining, and he just says out loud, "Mum, I'm so grateful that we have a car and a nice warm home, and I feel really bad for people who are homeless. And Mum, I just really appreciate you for taking me to soccer. I had fun today. I didn't win the goal, but I had fun, and that was a gain for me." And I was like, wow, this kid has integrated and implemented this principle, and it's just such a blessing. So I want that for you too, and to teach you the tool, and to help you teach your kids the tool, and the teens the tool, or grandkids. So that's amazing. And Bernie, you've just gone and put some orders through. So yes. Diana, 6 books just purchased. You rock star. Thank you. I have a goal of 100 books in the next 3 days. Maybe I'm setting that a bit too low, because I think we're pretty much already hitting that halfway point just from the last 10-15 minutes. So thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And even if you don't want to buy one of these, just say happy birthday to me on the feed. And it helps me to just share this beautiful gift today. It gets more coverage in Facebook land, where I tend to get pretty suppressed these days, don't we all? And so that would be wonderful for your support. That's the best gift for me today. If you want to purchase one of the journals at the lowest price possible today, you also, if you've just come on the feed, you'll also go in the draw for winning one of these GGA Everyday T-shirts, hashtag GGA Everyday. There's only 2 made. I'm keeping one, and I'm giving one in a draw. So for every purchase you have, come back and let me know in the feed down below, I bought 1 or 9, and you'll get a ticket in the draw for every journal you've purchased, every GGA journal. Plus, you'll also get a free ticket to the workshop that I will be doing for GGA Journaling Mastery. And in fact, I wasn't planning this, but for however many journals you purchase, I'll give you that many tickets. But I am limited to 100 people to the call. So maybe you can bring a friend or a family member to the GGA Journaling Workshop. Now, the first 2 workshops I'm doing live are for adults. So I'll be teaching you this principle in a deeper practice. And then you can then pass that on to kids and teens. But in the future, I'll be doing some workshops for kids and teens too. Thanks, Margie. Happy birthday to me. I'm having fun because I'm giving away the goodies. To me, that's the most fun. So I want to just say, I want to make this launch amazing, and your support is truly amazing to me. I really appreciate you so much. For those of you that have been cheering me along the journey of creating these, and also for who've been behind the scenes, who've supported me, and who are now supporting me moving forward with the purchase of these, and spreading the word, spreading the love, letting other people know that this tool is now available in the market. It makes what I do, which is typically invisible to most people, visible, and it makes it familiar. Most people know what a journal is, but it's unlike any journal you've ever had. I promise you, it's a very integrative journal, very holistic, and you're going to get a lot of surprises, a lot of bonuses that come with it as well that help you integrate the practice. So thank you again for joining me on this live. I'm going to go out and celebrate my birthday. I might pop back in a bit later today. I'm going to go out and have some fun for my birthday. And I just want to invite you to grab this special offer while it's available, 22nd of July to the 24th of July. So don't miss out and spread some gratitude. Make life sweet. Because you will with the practice of the GGA journal every single day. Rachel, you bought 5. Fantastic. You know what? I will go live again tonight because I have a beautiful birthday cake that I want to share that is GGA celebration as much as well. And so, you know, I really want to just connect you that I promise you, just like cake, that's a piece of cake. It's really simple. This practice is simple. Most people think change is hard. But I promise you it's a piece of cake. And when you do, you'll make life sweet. Everybody loves cake and everybody wants a bit more sweetness in their life. Using the GGA journaling practice, well, I promise you, is the gift you've been looking for. It's that missing piece that will help you have that inner peace and raise your frequency, raise your vibration, and help you have the cultivation of gratitude, focusing more on celebrating the gains that you make in life instead of the gap. And then also really appreciating all the beauty in everyday life, from the small to the big. From so much love, from my heart to yours, go ahead and follow those links to purchase your your GGA journal on Amazon right now. And remember to come back to this thread so that you can put your comment down below. I bought 1 or bought 5 or bought 9. And I'll make sure that I'll contact you. You keep your invoice number because I'll give you tickets into the draw for the T-shirt, exclusive, can't buy it. And you also get free tickets to the online GGA journaling workshop worth $22. Sue's buying Christmas gifts. Good plan. Good plan. These are the lowest prices that they'll be available during the launch. So that's a wonderful gift. Man, that you're going to be blessing people's lives with that as a Christmas gift. So thank you. Much love. Bye. Thank you for your blessings, for your attention, and also for your birthday blessings. Sonia, you bought 2 books. Fantastic. I'll be back to contact you all. I promise. I'm just going to go and have a little bit of fun, celebrate my birthday, and I'll keep you involved for the day. Okay, I'm going to go. Bye.